she unmatched me. Oh no, it was their turn. And why did G Burner look like still up in this hoe? She looked like the top go crazy. Nah, she dead look like she said not a great start, to be honest. Oh my god. Oh my god. I ain't gonna lie. We're selling. Um I just couldn't believe somebody this fine existed. Oh my god. Nah, I just couldn't believe somebody is fine will match with me. Nah, this is now I'm giving like I'm giving like I'm soft though. Nah, I couldn't believe somebody this fine would match with me though. Match with me though. You cooking be on this app you sold? Oh my god. Fuck! I sold. Rav tunes. I'm gonna go to the gym for an hour. I get back on the game on the guys. I'm jacking that game. Some little late night rivals. Damn, how do I save this? How about we make brownies and binge The Office together to make up. You should have said exist. I'm gonna be in this hole. Hold on. I think I owe you dinner. Not with the Phase Boys, just us. I think I may have cooked. Alright, she's not responding. Alright, fuck it. Move on to the next. Alright, now I did not tell you guys this, but I think we have an IRL Tinder to IRL Hinge going on this weekend. Oh my god. You said what? Oh, this bitch is dumb. Alright, I'm just gonna say, you know what I'm saying? I think I owe you a nice outing. I think I owe you a nice dinner. Possibly a nice night walk exploring the city together. I think I owe you a nice dinner and possibly a nice night walk exploring the city after. Due to my poor start with you. I ain't gonna lie, man. I'm just not putting the ball. I'm just not putting the ball in the hoop, man. I'm just not putting the ball in the hoop. Alright, alright, back to what I was saying though. I think we have a date with Aaliyah coming up this Sunday. We have a date coming up this Sunday. Can't lose some he never had. Now this is also the cool thing about it. She said that she jacks being on stream. Like, I asked her, would you be down to stream it? And she said 100% down. So, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, like, we're working. We're working. I ain't gonna lie, we're working here. I meant his hoe getting error. Until she sees chat. Well, this is what I was thinking. Now, she said that she wants to go ice skating. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you. Oh my god. Oh, I ain't got nothing on there. Now, let me see. Nigga, there is no more ice skating. This bitch is dumb. There is no more ice skating. I thought so. Alright, so what are we gonna do then? Ask Joey where he went, bro. That wasn't a real video of Joey, bro. That was a fake video. I just looked and it says the ice skating place is closed. Melt. Alright. Alright. Let's move on. I ain't gonna lie, I think this one is chips. I ain't gonna lie, I don't think she jacking us no more. I ain't gonna lie, I don't think she jacking us. Alright. Let's move on. Nigga, you sold? Alright, now I'm not gonna lie. We may have banged with this one. We may have banged with this one. I'm not gonna lie. She look mad good. I ain't gonna lie. She look mad good. Oh my god. Wait, hold on. That's kind. Not gonna lie though, twin, it's not your type of girl. What the fuck do you mean it's not my type of girl? So does she, okay, so she said that's kind. What the fuck does this mean? Like, are you accepting my offer? What's up, Kanye? Is she accepting my offer? So, are you accepting my offer? Give her a time. Stop. Yes, just make plans. I bet. Let me do that. Yo, why is this nigga spazzing out in the chat? Yo, calm your happy ass down. Let me calm down, and then let me actually come up with some what's it called? With some actual things. All right. So how are we jacking Lavinia? Yeah, Lavinia. Nah, she sound mad good. Hold on.
Lavinia.
Oh my god, nah, she sound mad good. Hold on. She got the little BB on. With the little charms and shit. She definitely be going to raves. My simple pleasures is book, Legos, and Spotify. Okay. Nah, she look like Taffy right here. OD. She drinks Starbucks and likes politically correct people. Nah, she look like Taffy right here. I don't know if I could be kissing on Taffy. No bullshit. Her makeup is killing her aura. Yeah, she doing too much with the makeup. Oh my god, you know who this give me? This gives me like Danae vibes. I need her. She kind of give me like Danae vibes, no? Yeah, no? I ain't gonna lie, she look like Danae. Can you stop swiping on blacks? This is bad. I'm gonna be like, hey. I'm gonna be like, hey, with the wave. Wave. Love a politically correct woman. I'm gonna say, hey, and then I'm gonna be like, Legos and you're not putting a ball through the hoop. Legos and Legos and InfoWar. Nah, Legos and InfoWar, man. What's up, Jimmy? Nah, Legos and InfoWars. That shit gonna hit. That's gonna hit. Wait, what the fuck? This girl matched me. She responded to me this is almost a month ago. This is more than a month ago. Nah, this is Wally takedowns right here. Nah, this is definitely Wally's takedowns right here. Caramel variant? Nah, she kind of look like a bigger Bella. Yeah, I'm good. All right, let me see. Who is Drea? I matched with her at 6. I was swiping earlier before stream. All right, Drea. The way to win me over is to take me to a rave. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, she riding shoulders. Oh yeah, chat. I ain't gonna lie. She riding shoulders. That's not the only thing that she's riding. How did you read Drea? Oh, it's Daria. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, she's white. Oh wait, I'll brag to you, my friends, if you play Roblox with me. Oh my god. Roblox. Oh my god, DTI? Oh my god, DTI? DTI? Strip games? Not DTI. DTI. That's how you DTI your way into some pussy, boy. Alright, nice. You 23 talking about dress to impress. Can we respond to Nally? Nally? What do you want to say? She said that's kind. Where she live? Los Altos Hills. So she live on the other side. Make a time. Set plans. Sometime this week. I know. Sometime this week, maybe. This week, I'ma say this. This week. No. Next week, Friday. Next week, Friday. I know a good pasta place in the city. Dress nice. Mmm. 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 Bang. Watch that. Watch I just cook. Watch I just cook. I'm walking away on some Steph Curry shit. Watch I just cook. Watch I just cook. Walking away. I don't even gotta look at the shot. I know that the shot hit. Walking away because I know that the shot hit. I'm walking away because I know that the shot hit. I don't even gotta worry about the shot. I don't even gotta worry about the shot. Left on red. Oh. 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 Did I fuck up? Damn. Well, that's life. Oh my God. Oh my God! I told you! I told you! I told you!
Come on, man. That's too easy.
I fucking told you! Fuck are you talking about? Nigga, the free food strat, it hits every time. She just wanna know the name. Fuck are you talking about, nigga? Alright, now the place. Fuck, what's it called? And she ain't said she's down. Hold on, what's the place called? It's called something. It's right by, what's it called? It's right by Mr. Liquor. True, not gonna lie, she just wanna know the name. Alright, watch this. Watch when I say the name. She gonna watch when I... Mr. Liquor. And right when I say it, Bottega, that's what it's called. It's called Bottega. I actually went here chat with my friends. I ain't gonna lie, that Bottega shit was bussin'. Bottega. It's in the Mission District. Let's work, man. Come on. Come on. Walking down. Walk it down. I'm telling you, I'm banging with her. We're about to set up another date. She's a RN and a BSN student. What's a BSN? What's a BSN? It's good, Lauren Hill. We may bang. We may bang. All right, let's see. Let's get to swiping. Tell him. Let's get to swiping. Butt sex nuts. Abby. What the? Alright, your dog, big ass nuts in the fucking screen. Oh, this bitch is a geeker. Nah, this Kaminga type. Wait, she do TikTok. How you know she do TikTok? I follow her. She's a volleyball smoking giggler. This is literally you. She just looked like a girl I follow. Oh nah. Nah. Geek together? Nah, I can't say that. That's mad corny. Wait, I'm gonna say women like corny shit. I'm gonna be like, you the setter I've been missing my whole life. Oh my god. Y'all niggas don't even know the lingo that I'm using right now. Y'all niggas don't even know the lingo I'm using right now. Yeah, I do. Alright, Sasha. Teach me about ETFs. Hold on, I ain't gonna lie, this look like Taffy Speed. I gotta write that one down. Alright. Ah, the fuck is an ETF? It's like a type of investment. It's like an entire investing in fund. I'm not gonna lie, you could keep that. Liz, I have a YouTube channel for my clips. Oh, she play RP? Hold on, she play RP? No kids, Liz. Alright. Go to channels. What do you mean channels? Keep it filter. Keep it. Ah, that's Wally type. Oh, nah, she be video editing? Hold on. I ain't gonna lie. She trying to edit videos for me? What's the word? Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. You edit vids? Yo, imagine I meet my editor off of Hinge. That shit would be fire. I'm getting mad Asians. Oh yeah, I think, oh. Oh, nah. Hold on, no. I ain't gonna lie. Hold on, no. Hold on, no. Hold on, no. See, like, all right, this may be crazy takes, but I'm like, this is my speed. Like this dead my speed. Like, you feel me? She chopped though? Nah, she not that chopped though. Like, it's all fun and games into slurp sausage. Nah, she a freak. Nah, I can tell she a freak. I ain't gonna lie. I can tell she a freak. So, what's the review? I'm trying to see how she slurps sausage. I ain't gonna lie. I'm trying to see how she slurps sausage. Nigga see a little ass and get... Oh my. Oh my.